So here's the program we used last week to do the first operation, or first setup, and we're going to use this to base our second program. So we go in, program edit, line out, we want to keep that. Okay, so now we're going to we're going to face the other side, line out, which means we're going to walk around the outside with an end mill, and now we have to start doing some pocketing. So now we have to go back to AutoCAD and get our points off of our drawing, and then put those back into the program.
I don't know you want me to turn this off.
We're using a 1/2" roughing end mill. Offset. Helical plunge. Offset is good. We're going to do arbitrary shape. Just going to stop it there. Okay, there we go.
Finished up.
So now we're inputting the more intricate pocket geometry.
And then we're going to do this one here.
Yes.
And that's just a simple pocket with no moles. Pocket. Okay.
Yes.
There we go.
There we go.
There's your other shape. Okay.
That was the last pocket. Okay.
And that one there you can use 1/2" because that's no problem.
Okay. That's it. Rocker stands actually cause an issue. There's only about 300 thou between the walls, so we have to use a 1/4" cutter. Okay. Last week I made a mistake of putting it on slow motion, so all that video I took is junk. So to recap, this is our block. It's a 5" by 6" by 7" long, and we've done the first op, which is basically just facing the bottom and putting in some mounting holes and dowels. Now today we're going to flip it over and we're going to cut out some pockets just to rough out a bunch of material to make it easier to obviously to mount onto the 5-axis fixture and to finish machine it. There we go. Okay, so here we are an hour and a half later after programming. We're just going to check the final toolpath, only because we'll be debugging the program and not running obviously the machine full blast right from the start, and that's going to take who knows how long. So I'm going to give you a little taste of what the machine path should look like. They're finished. That's face or walking around the outside. We're center drilling. We're pre-drilling some counter bores for the head bolts. I was just hogging out some material just for the sake of hogging it out. All that can be done on a 5-axis easier. Now this pocket actually shows the deficiency of the 2-dimensional software. This pocket is actually going to take 20 minutes on this machine, whereas say a Mastercam or a newer cam software would be able to do that in maybe a minute. So that's a huge savings in time. But since this is a one-off piece and I'm doing it in my spare time, time and money don't really matter. Just on that pocket. That's doing its finishing pass. Finishing the counterbores, and we're done. Total cycle time 27 minutes 52 seconds. Here we're just indicating stop to get our datum in the x-axis. So we need a deeper 3/4 inch end mill to get a couple operations. So now we put it in the machine and we're touching off on the tool to get the tool length. Now we're going to check the tool diameter.